I'm Kriya Patel, and with my project, I plan to help women about to be released from a local Philadelphia jail obtain health insurance in order to continue access to stabilizing medication. So at Riverside Correctional Facility, 66% of the women are currently on medication for behavioral health issues, and when they're released, they're only given 5 days worth of medication. And none of these women have health insurance. So this means that after 5 extremely short days, in addition to the challenges of finding a job and finding housing, they are now off of their much-needed medication. Getting them Medicaid from the moment they're released will allow them to continue to have access to medication.
I met Kriya in a class I teach inside the women's jail in Philadelphia. She called me and said she wanted to make a proposal for the President's Engagement Prize. The goal is to get everyone who's in Riverside Jail health insurance.
Kriya and her staff will solicit interest from the inmates, and we expect that interest to be very, very high, in part because so many of the women here have children. The average number of children for the women at the Riverside is over 4. So there's a great family that needs to be cared for and supported, and that can only be done if the person is physically and mentally well.
We also plan to hold educational sessions with the Pennsylvania Prison Society to explain what Medicaid is, how you can use it, what the local Philadelphia health resources are, so that the project is really effective and the women can really gain from having this access to Medicaid and access to health care. Over the course of a year, there's around 5,000 different women that pass through, and my team and I hope to help these women apply for and secure Medicaid over the course of the year.
There's very good evidence that if a person has insurance, that they are less likely to return, because that is a portion of the problem of their life that's resolved. So as we can piece together these supports for people, then they can have useful lives in the community with self-respect and success and not return to the prison.
I see Kriya one day leading a national effort to reduce recidivism in our society.
I hope that she stays in the public service, because people like her are very much needed.
My hopes for the project are that after a year, we're able to really demonstrate that it's reduced recidivism and it's really allowed the women to turn their lives around.
What's special about this prize is that they're rewarding people like Kriya who want to be engaged in the community at large. I hope this project is just the beginning for Riverside. And I also hope that it serves as a model, because it would be helpful to ladies all over this country.